Hello everybody, welcome to TeCar again. Let me show how we can add DVR in TeCar app. User can have multiple cars and multiple cars can have multiple DVRs. So we have here the functionality that a user can add multiple DVRs in his personal account in his TeCar app. Let me show how we can add the DVR. Here is a list of the the list of mirrors here. There is no DVR connected, and once I connect the DVR in the app, I need to make sure that DVR is paired with direct Wi-Fi on the phone. Let me check here. This is the DVR. Every DVR transmits the string. Like this DVR transmits A1WG dash blah blah blah. Here we need to have the password for pairing this. Now I'm punching the password. This DVR is paired via Wi-Fi, like we pair using a Bluetooth, we pair using a direct Wi-Fi with a smartphone. Let me switch back to the TeCar app. Here I'll go to the DVR section and I'll scan it and I'll opt for DVR. This TeCar app is searching the DVRs connected to it, and now if you see, this is A1WG. This is a currently scanned DVR. We can change the DVR here. Let me name it Honda City DVR. Suppose user can have multiple cars and each car can have a DVR. Let me mention it, Honda City DVR. Once I renamed, I can now use it. Click here and then live rendering. I can get the data from the DVR on a smartphone. Now you can see, I can see the outside view, and here I have an option to contrast, to increase or decrease the brightness. I have multiple options here to even change the passcode of the DVR. We have movie size, and we can change the photo size. We can select. We have auto connect options. We have multiple functions where we can change and set. So this was about how DVR is connected with the TeCar app. The single DVR I connect now. I can also connect the multiple DVRs. Thank you.